Hey guys, it's day 27 of me talking in English. So now the time is around 5:30 a.m. So yeah, I officially restarted monk mode again. So well now I have to organize everything like writing to do, journal, workout, and everything. Yeah. Hey guys, I came back from college. I thought to vlog in I thought to vlog in college also, but because of social anxiety, something like that, I didn't. It's actually day 27, and I'm still not doing that. Hope I will do some progress. Else, I will do another challenge like this. So, today I pretty much followed the monk mode protocol. Now all I have left is reading the book. Hope I do. This is the main thing that I always neglect to do. So I have to do now. I have to restart reading everything. So I'm talking quickly because I have no time now. So see you guys tomorrow.